Perfect.
Hey, don't do it.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. So today I am using my ring light. It's hella bright. Excuse my voice, I have a cold that seems to like not be going away anytime soon, but it's totally outside, so that's the reason why I need my ring light. I really don't like filming with artificial light, but we're just gonna do it to kind of see how it turns out. Yes, I'm gonna start first on my hair. I want this to be something detailed, something thought through, something chill, you know. We're gonna be doing a fall inspired hair and makeup look. So I'm just going to begin by taking this down. Alright, so I'm wearing my kinky twist, you guys, as you can see. First thing I'm going to do is put it in a high pony with this string thing that I have. So my hair is finished. It was a really quick style. I wanted something definitely elegant. So now I'm going to move on to my makeup. Okay, so for this look I will be using this Syllabi, I think I'm saying it right, makeup brush set. I think it's, I don't even know how many pieces of brushes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pieces. And I don't have a lot of time on my battery, which is a forever freaking struggle. This comes with a cute little case, which I really appreciate right now. I got this as a gift from a cousin of mine, so I'm just gonna be using it today for the first time. I'm pretty sure she probably picked it up in like a department store. So for my brows, I won't be doing anything much right now. Today I will be using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. And I'll also be using this palette that I got from my bro. It's a Nicole Miller Ultimate Matte Collection, I think. And it just has some really cute fall inspired shit. Okay, it has some cute fall inspired colors in there, so I thought I would use this today. This is gonna be a from scratch look. So I'm starting off first with my brows. I will not be filling them in. I want to go for something that looks feathered. I'm not doing Instagram brows today. I don't want that. So I'm just gonna use this double-sided thing right here to brush out my brows a bit. And y'all know I ain't got no mirror, so I'm just gonna brush them up. They need to be tweezed. I haven't tweezed them properly in a minute. And I'm going to use the... Oh, this brush is tough. Look at these. Jesus. I'm gonna be using this to just outline underneath here. And I'm using Cool Tan from LA Girl Pro. Alright guys, the brush and a flex none at all. Something serious around it. Oh, I needed to break it in. Okay. So plastic. I have a feeling my battery is going to finish before I finish filming this look, and I will be so pissed off. But anyways, trying to work quickly so that my battery doesn't die. Yeah. And I guess it will be like my first time doing my brows like this, but I'm really just doing it because I really don't want Instagram brows for this look. I just want something that looks like really, really natural. So I won't be lining the top, just the bottom. Alright, to prime my lids, I'm using the Jordana, what is the name again? The Jordana Eye Primer, I would think it's called. I have not used this since I started doing makeup, so that's like a really, really long time. I probably use it like once since then, to be honest, but I want something like that is going to give me pigment. And I just like opened my makeup case and then I saw this and I was like, hell yes. Blending it up into the crease and all over my lid. Might have used a lot, but you know, it will only pay off in the end. Patting it into my skin like that. Alright, so I'm starting with the colors, and I'm sticking to this whole brush set here. I'm using this one that kind of looks like a blending brush. And I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette. Yeah. And I'm taking Morocco. But before I do that, I'm going into the Nicole Miller palette, and I'm going to take this, oh shit, I'm going to take this color right here. Oh my god, oh my god. Picking up a lot of it on the brush. And I'm starting this color at the highest point in my crease, basically. It in there pretty heavy, and then underneath it I'm going to put Morocco, or on top of it I should say, like underneath it but slightly on top of it. And then I'm gonna go for this brown color, and I'm going to put that below the color I just applied. And this color is going right, literally right into my crease. The payoff for that color is not like great, so you can barely see it, but it's there. Alright, right on top of that color, I'm taking Jezebel from the Nubian 2. And I'm gonna apply that. Now we know these colors from this palette are like super pigmented, so I'm just, you know, applying that. I'm going to smoke out everything back with some more of Morocco, just a little bit on the outer part of the crease. I'm gonna go on to my lid with Ya from the Nubian 2, and this color is gorgeous, girl. Like, I know I feel like I want to cut my crease first. I'm going to slightly cut my crease, like not dramatically cut it, just slightly cut it. I gotta use the concealer straight from the thing. I promise I'm like really over cut crease looks. I promise I am. And this was not intended to be a cut crease look. So I'm just trying to make it as least cut creasy as possible. So it's gonna be like a half a cut crease. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with Ya right on that part where I put the crease cutting, but I'm really like concentrating it on the middle part of my eye. So the inner part of my eye, I'm going to use either Nefertiti or Nairobi. I'm going to use Nefertiti, if I say it name. I can't really see Ya anymore, so I'm just going to paste some more of that on there. I'm going to go in with the first, with Jezebel, and just pack that outer part of the eye right there, the outer third. Alright, so underneath here, I'm going to put some of the primer, and I'm going to put some Jezebel under there. I guess this is going to turn out not being like a wing, but just tight lined eyes. Which is fine too, because I'm not really, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm not the biggest fan of a winged liner at all. Alright, I'm going to set my brow bone with one of the regular, like a tan color from this here Nicole Miller palette. And off camera, guys, I just went ahead and applied some lashes. I'm gonna prime with the Milani Prime Shield. This is usually a really good primer to me. So I actually cut the tube and pushed it back down in there. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible in 109, which is not like 112, which is cocoa. I originally wanted to apply this with sponges, but I'm going to be using this stippling brush from the set that I just got, just to quickly stipple on some of this product. As a stippling brush, it really isn't firm at all, it's very soft. And of course, I'm going to highlight with Cool Tan. And that rain is really coming down outside. Alright, so I've already applied my highlights and all of that. I'm going to bake underneath my eyes with the Milani Make It Last Translucent Banana Powder. This is number, oh shit, I know this many ones. Sorry, I need to use number 2, which is the medium to deep. And I'm just going to use one of these little sponge wedge thingies to apply it underneath my eye. I'm actually going to put the banana on top of this for a bit of more of a highlighted look. I'm going to use a bit of the banana underneath my eye. Oh, shit. Let me here on me. And I'm also going to do a little bit of reverse contouring with the banana, because I really want this look to stand out. So while that is setting or baking, I'm going to contour with the Black Up Cosmetics contouring stick in number, it's number 5. Using the darker side, the contour side. I'm going to see if I can find a brush that would be appropriate for this. I'm thinking this one could work. And I'm just going to kind of just buffer it into my skin, like right here. Hold on. gonna run a little bit of it, a smidget of it down side of my nose. And then I'm gonna just dust away that extra powder with this fluffy brush. That is really soft, by the way. Setting my face with medium deep, mixed with a little earth gold. Alright, I'm going to set my contour with something from the Nubian 2 palette. Ooh. Alright, scratch that. I'm going to set it with Earth Glow by Milani. For my blush, I use Morocco with a little bit of Jezebel, and just gonna press that on my cheeks. And to highlight, I'm using what am I use? I'm using Nairobi to highlight my face. Gorgeous. Alright guys, I don't know how much of the lip part you guys caught because my camera keeps powering off. I'm so sorry. But I used Cocoa from J. America Cosmetics to line, and then I filled in with what's this called again? Maroon Masquerade from Makeup Monsters. And on top of it, I'm going to go in with this Infallible lip gloss from L'Oreal, and this is in the color Red Fatal. So, nasa, what am I do? Guys, the lip applicator portion of my applicator fell off, so that hurts. No, so this is pretty intense. Oh my god. Guys, this isn't distributing how I want, so I'm going to switch to this Milani one. I don't remember what the name of it is, but they're kind of have the same finish in a way. Ooh, this red is slightly different. Oh my god. I'm kind of getting the look that I want, not 100%, but you know, we're gonna work with this. I just want a little bit more of a highlight on my cheeks. Trying to find a fan brush. Okay, there we go. Yes, the highlight was what was missing for me. Yes, there we go. There we go. Yes. I just need some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to apply that and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I did bring down this curl because it wasn't down in my face before. Yeah, basically I'm going to just list all the products that I used down in the description bar. It kind of came out exactly how I wanted, kind of. I'm not getting the exact amount of warmth or anything like that, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I find enough to edit to make it a really good tutorial for you guys. There is also a video I made a long time ago styling these. I think I'm going to try to find it and link it down below as well. You know, this hairstyle is very trusty. I'm gonna leave all the info to the hair down in the description bar if I haven't already said it in this video. Anything that I forgot to say, guys, I will be writing down in the description bar, so just click the show more section and I will show you all of that. Be sure to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, guys, my Facebook page, all that stuff, just to see what I'm doing when I'm not making YouTube videos. Go ahead and follow me on those social media platforms as well. Yeah, but I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Leave me a comment down below and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I'm on my way to 100k, guys. I really want you guys to help me get there. There will be a vlog attached to this video, I guess. I'm going to leave it linked on the screen and also down in the description bar for when the video finally goes up. Yeah, just continue to give me some support, guys. Continue to thumbs up the videos, drop me a comment, all of them things there, they add up. So yeah, what call me? Jesus, bro. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.